Hi there, my name is Brandon and welcome to Optima, home of the Optima APOS series product line. Now, if you're watching this video, it means you've already downloaded the PCProg software to your PC or laptop. So when you open the program, you'll notice there is 20 different modules. These modules allow you to customize your new APOS system. Some of these modules, for example, would be hardware, keyboards, modifiers, and departments, just to name a few. When you open any of these modules, you'll notice that all the settings and fields are empty. Therefore, you'll need to manually enter the desired settings to program your APOS system. Now, luckily, for your convenience, a help menu is located on the top left-hand side of the PCProg control panel to help you understand what all the settings are within each module. But you also have the option to import pre-programmed demo software files, which come included with the PCProg software, which you originally downloaded. Each demo file includes a complete example of different types of stores, such as a grocery store, food truck, or a fast food restaurant, just to name a few. These demo files can be used either as training to understand the different setup options or as a template for your specific store scenario. So this is where I come in, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to import these free demo software files. Now, of course, before we begin, you need to have the PCProg software already installed in your PC or laptop. So if you're ready to go, I'm going to show you how to import these demo files right after this. Okay, welcome back. Now I'm going to show you how to import the demo software files. Okay, first open the PCProg program. If you open the keyboard module, you'll see that it's empty. So at default, as I said before, you would need to build your keyboard from scratch. So now let's import a demo software file. Select Receive on the right side. The Receive Transmission Files pop-up window will appear. In the Receive Files drop-down menu, select File. Navigate to the PCProg folder which you originally downloaded when you installed the PCProg program. Then select the latest release folder. Select the Demo Files folder. Now, depending on the APOS model that you have, select the appropriate model. I have an APOS 04 with me, so I'll select the folder titled APOS 04. Then select the demo program that best suits the store you have. I'm going to select Multi-Menu. Now select Open. Once you do this, you'll see a progress bar with a message that says, "Please wait verifying file." So just wait until it's finished verifying the file. So then you'll see a pop-up message appear saying, "This action will import data from the chosen file. Are you sure you want to overwrite all data entries in this application?" So in layman's terms, when importing these demo files, any data currently in the database, such as any information you may have already entered in any of the modules, such as the keyboard module or the products module, for example, will be lost. If you've just downloaded PCProg, then the database will be empty, so no data will be lost. Okay, let's select Yes. Once it says completed and the progress bar turns green, you'll see a pop-up window appear saying Transmission Successful. So now, if we open the keyboard module, for example, you will now see a list of different keyboards to choose from, which you can now work off of. I'll click on the breakfast keyboard, for example, and there you go. Okay, you've now learned how to import demo software files into the PCProg program. Why don't you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get notified as soon as we upload any new videos. Also, if you want to learn more about the Optima APOS series line of products or need any POS accessories such as barcode scanners, printers, Windows PC POS terminals, and more, visit www.optimagopos.ca. Again, that's www.optimagopos.ca. I'm Brandon from Optima, and I'll see you again.